Let's go. Back for yet another video, and I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome back to my channel, to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Guess what? I'm ready to see a new video for you guys today, and I hope you guys are ready with me because the title of this video is Beauty Gurus Before They Were Rich. Guys, you guys know I'm always fascinated by the beauty industry because I love to watch them for some reason. It's like, these people be crazy. And the hair industry is like cold. Like we don't have much people that intrigue me that I'm like, okay, you know. So let's get into this, okay? So I'll be getting into this. It's called, let's see. Okay. Wait, no, that cannot be Nikki.
Hello, today we're going to do this really bright, outgoing boom look.
No.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all.
Gorgeous. I love it. And
that's Nikki tutorial before she... I'm sorry. Guys, I'm not kidding. I have never seen any of her video before she was... No. But she still speaks the same way. This bright, yes, before... Yes. Let's get right into...
I hope you like it too, and
she looks so
if you
different.
want to get this, keep on watching.
Yeah, oh, she has so much sauce then.
Hello, guys.
She looks so different.
Nikki, hello. Today we are not a good girl gone bad. We are playing with a couple of diamonds. No pain or S&M, is it?
S&M girl, honey, yes, girl. Wait, she still has the size, but in a different way, in a more evolved way. I have never seen this before.
Involved in this video. I'm talking about Rihanna.
Oh.
If you're following me on Instagram and Snapchat, you
I
might
love her
notice
so much.
That last week I bent the knee for Queen Rihanna.
No, you saw Rihanna in live? No. No way.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all.
Oh, this bitch. God, you've been sexy and sassy all this while, all this time. This is before. Oh, now what? Oh. Yes. Yes, I loved it. Wow. Oh, yes, honey, and your makeup then was blinding.
Hey, everybody. So today's look is one of my absolute favorites. It's a deep, dark, like vampy lip with neutral, kind of fair skin with a lot of highlight and contour. The eyes are...
You look so... Jaclyn, you look beautiful, gorgeous. Your face now looks so different. Like your cheeks look... Wow. What happened now? Because, oh my God.
are kept really neutral. The eyebrows are much more bold and normal.
What?
Like, I have no words. I don't even know how to do a proper intro.
Oh, her face look more roundish now and the cheeks. Okay, so she may have done her cheeks.
You know, I am that person. But oh my God, I'm actually filming this video right now.
It's crazy. I know. They always feel that when they do stuff, it makes them look more pretty. No.
You look ghastly, Robert.
I haven't been sleeping.
Start off by showing you the PR box.
Girl. Honey, look at that background, girl. You're gonna kill a bitch, eventually. Look at that. Lord have mercy. I feel so poor. Well, I'm trying to make it work, guys. Life gave me lime and I'm making lemonade, bitches. That's what I'm doing. So I can't help myself.
It's so crazy. Every single time I open it,
it's comes with ring lights.
I can't take it. Are you joking?
Oh, bitch.
Dear Diary.
It was legendary. Yes. Beauty influence.
Fucking ghetto, so what?
Oh my God. Jeffree star, you've come a long way, and yes, any day, anytime, I'll give it to you. Like, yeah. You never kissed anyone ass. Like you never tried to be something else so people know.
That's who I am. And of course, what we've all been waiting for.
I just watched this the other day.
Jawbreaker,
bitch. I love this. I'm not kidding you guys.
Oh my God. Here is my version, you guys, of a rainbow
I love this
palette.
bitch too
Of
much.
course, this is the same iconic eyeshadow formula as Blood Sugar.
Oh, you're living my dream.
Here we go.
Wait, James, you had nose ring before. Okay, I love your look now. Your look now is more wrapped in sophistication. This, huh? That lips, James girl, that lips is sickening. Oh, honey. Yeah, makeup, yeah. Wow, you've come a long way. Like,
hi guys, my name is James. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a 16-year-old makeup artist from New York, and I run the Instagram page J Charles Beauty. Your discretion is advised for the lookbook that you're about to see.
oh, bitch! This is why they hate this bitch, because you're sickening. Like, you've changed the game. Oh, honey! I love that outfit. James?
Okay.
Can I be on your PRO list for those outfits, just for the outfits when I get to a certain point? Because, I'm not kidding you, your outfits is what I'll wear when I'm not working as a stylist. Like, those are the stuff. Guys, when I'm not working as a stylist, actually the truth is that when I'm at home, I walk around the way I was created, honey. Not even t-shirt, bitch. I'll be taking off everything. Yeah, like, honey. Girl, so you can imagine.
Today, foundation routine, damn it. Cool, so I'm making this video today because I want to do like a quick how-to of how I do my foundation.
Fuck this! Okay, Manny and you a bitch, yo. Damn. No, this bitch is... What the... Okay, Manny, you're hot. I said it. What the... Even
Foundation, I get a lot of questions on Instagram of what I use and how I do it. So I'm just gonna make a video of how I do my foundation routine. Cool? Cool.
I'm so happy that your face still looks the same, like similar.
So I'm sitting outside my old place because I can get some packages. And it is
Okay, between us, like, don't tell no one, okay? But I low-key binge watch Manny MUA's videos. Like, I know you're amazing at makeup and I love the makeup, but then again I'm like, wow, Zim, Zazaz, you're giving me Zaddy, Daddy, all of it wrapped in one. Like, Mac Daddy, you're giving it all. I'm not kidding you.
so...
And you just have your own, like, you're king in makeup, you're king of makeup, like, that is your status, bitch.
Really
Oh,
weird.
Jesus Christ.
Like, it makes me feel uncomfortable / emotional. Like, I could honestly cry. Like, right now. I'm not even kidding. Like, I could literally cry.
Sickening.
Yeah, it's weird.
Oh, let me see Nikita.
Dragons, what's up? It's Nick Dragun.
Oh, hell no!
This week, while getting some beauty sleep, I was thinking about what I could possibly film next for all.
Fuck you, Nikita! If you look this way as before, now we know why you're even more sickening. There is no way you can start this way and not be more sickening. Okay, the beauty community, you guys are evil. Like, you're gonna be hot. What the? Oh my God. This is so...
Lovely people. So I know I've been getting a lot of requests to put out makeup videos and a makeup tutorial on basically what I do day to day and what.
Yeah, Nikita, she's not all about makeup all the time. She's like...
So I thought it'd be a good idea to
She
instead
has
of
her
doing
own
a typical,
style.
you know, my basic routine from start to finish, I would chop each section up into its own video.
That's Nikita?
Hi Dragons, what's up? It's Nikita and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are
I love how she always has a mankind in her hands all the time, and I'm looking at this guy. I'm like, gee, what the god? You better what? I gotta be your pet. So then you give me as your pet today mankind to hold, literally, because girl.
in a Lambo.
Sickening, honey.
Took a good 9 months to develop some eggs. Daddy Dragon here, but you know, we got things happening. Dragon Beauty, and we are delivering eggs to some of the
That was
people
Nikita?
that made the biggest impact with me and the
That was she's sickening.
personally delivering eggs today.
Oh, but
hey bitch, so today I'm going to show you guys how
bitch, you were
to
skinny.
my face, and I already have this Smashbox board ready.
You're one of the most iconic beauty influencers. Like your style. Ooh, you guys know I love Batman work, right?
So now you want to get your foundation. This is the
I know when they showed me Batman work, I was like, who is this bitch? And that was it.
Hey bitch,
oh honey, you've been muscle.
Video, we are going to be doing a house tour. But before we get in, I just want to give
very athletic body.
I am not trying to show off. And if you do think I am showing off, then bitch, what the fuck are you You clicked on this video and not me, so.
Ooh, oh, bitch.
So the front of my house, or whatever.
Okay, I saw you guys saying bitch, fuck you. I mean, the guys do this to me. Not fair at all. That's sickening. Oh, Batman work. I love.
Thanks for watching. Real quick, I wanted to make this video because I have a lot of people asking me.
That's Jaclyn, Aina? Oh, Black Don't Crack, and she had, girl! She's one of the most entertaining beauty influencers of all time. Like, she's so amazing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
She has not done any plastic surgery, you can tell. Her face looks the same. Oh, now she has better camera sound, microphone. Guys, I was in that era, 2008. Oh my god, the microphones were awful. You were just using your laptop. Oh my god.
Hey guys, Laura here, and today I'm going to show you the perfect and very easy way to...
Oh, Laura Lee, your hair is dark. I didn't know that. I thought it was brown. Oh my god, it's true.
Contour and highlight your face. Right now, all I have on is just my foundation, which is True Blend by CoverGirl.
I know she's been cancelled, but she's still making a comeback.
This is 445 Soft Honey. They have on some mascara, which is
This is crazy.
XL Pro by Maybelline. And I have on some eyeshadow as well.
I'm shocked.
I want to talk to you guys.
See, this is
in this video. It's
you showed it for this.
You look ghastly, Robert.
I haven't been sleeping.
Oh, Patty, you're really Patty. You brought the most awful apology of all time. See, did you say can you see me?
Hey, yeah, hi, I'm Gabriel. This video is a tutorial.
Fuck you. Oh my god, no. Patty, I love you for this. Between us both, between all of us here, I just want you guys to know that Gabriel Zamora can be crazy in the defending and all that, but when I find out the truth, I'm like, oh my god, Gabriel, you're really a great friend to have. But I must say something I've not said before. I found out from last year when I did Patrick Star video, I did a reaction to it, a music reaction on my other channel, and I realized that I had never seen who Gabriel Zamora is, but Gabriel Zamora is the most gorgeous beauty influencer on YouTube that I've ever seen, hands down. I was like, in that video I was like, huh? I was like, this bitch!
I don't like to do it too crazy. It's just kind of enhancing what...
I'm sorry, if you have such friend, oh bitch.
Does that make sense? I just wanted to look
you have
how
to,
it would look.
you have to bring your A game all the time because look at that.
Crazy is what I wear every single day.
You look look like a Barbie, like a Barbie Ken doll. What the f? You guys not. Look at my face.
How are you, everyone? Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my beauty room.
Hey.
Area.
Oh, bitch, you're rich, honey. You are rich. Look at this light. Oh, you have this soft light. Girl, I just have 2 ring lights and it's already too expensive for me. And this expensive.
I guess I'm gonna do skincare because everyone.
Oh, Aisha, Aina, you look at me gorgeous.
So I guess I'm just gonna,
I'm so happy to see people that I'm subscribed to.
They'll go on to do a tutorial, but they're not going tonight.
This is.
First, I'm gonna be looking in my mirror too. First, I put my Bifacil.
I love the fact that she still has a personality, that she didn't change herself to be something else because of people. It's gorgeous.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me, my name is Alyssa, and
yes.
you're having a great day or night,
yes, honey.
wherever you are, or evening, afternoon. I just hope that you are doing amazing because I am doing amazing.
I love her style so much.
Skincare routine, and this video is sponsored by Sephora Collection.
Guys, what do I say? Like, this is so amazing. Perdy, shout out to YouTuber Perdy for creating these videos because I love it. It's sickening. And guys, I didn't know that. What? They've come a long way, honey. To my new subscribers and my old subscribers, what do we think? Yeah. I'm speechless. Look at this. This is not fair. From Saudi. And the size of bye, guys. What the? Wow.